Hello everyone, I hope you are doing well. Today we will talk about how to fix or how to solve the problem of backup on rapid TV. We click on settings. Here in this page, you click on apps, default apps, app settings. On above you will search about this application of Rapid TV. Here we go to first stop and you click OK. Then we will enter to storage. Here we go to clear cache. In this page you will turn off your Wi-Fi and you will turn on your Wi-Fi again to fix that problem. So please don't forget to support us, bell icon, subscribe.